This mathcast is intended for grade 1. The learning objective is to classify shapes based on defining attributes using examples, variants, and non-examples, created by Pam Gleisner. Some vocabulary that we're going to use during this mathcast is a corner, a place or angle where two or more sides or edges meet, straight sides, sides that continue in one direction without bending or curving, open shape, a shape where the starting point and ending point are different and not connected, closed shape, a shape with no open ends and all segments or curves are connected. Down here you can see that this is a corner and this is classified as a straight side. These are classified as open shapes because there are openings here, and these are closed shapes because the starting and end points are the same. For the first activity, we're going to circle the shapes that have 5 straight sides. So here we can see that this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is not a straight shape. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like we're going to have 1, 2, 3 that we can circle. For the next one, we're going to circle the shapes that have no straight sides. This one has straight sides. This one looks like it has at least 2 straight sides. This one has straight sides. So we would circle the others. No straight sides here, here, and here. Lastly, we're going to circle the shapes where every corner is a square corner. Okay, this one has 4 corners. They are all square. This one doesn't have any corners. This one has 4 corners. They are all square. This one does have 1 corner that is square, but it says where every corner is a square corner, and this one are not. And this one has multiple corners, but none of them are square. So we will be circling the shapes where every corner is a square corner. So that'll be this one and this one. For this activity, we're going to see how many corners and straight sides does each of the shapes below have. So first we're going to do corners. Go 1, 2, 3. So we're going to write a 3 in there. And then for straight sides, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So on a triangle, that is what we'll have. 3 corners and 3 straight sides. Next, we're going to move on to this rhombus. We're going to count our corners first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to write in a 4 under corners. And then we'll move to straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 straight sides as well. Next, we're going to do a circle. Do we see any corners? There are none. No corners in a circle. And then straight sides. There are also no straight sides in a circle. Always remember to count sides, see if they are straight or curved, check for right angles, and see if the shape is closed or open. Thanks for watching.